Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Hiring Matter. I hope you are doing good and staying home. Well, before we start this video, I would like to say a few things. Most of the people have these kind of questions in their mind like which sector should I get a job and where should I relocate for better opportunity and is it hard to get a job in these experience? So these are the questions that pops up in each and everyone's mind. To know the answer of these questions that you had, we are going to take help of Naukri Job Speak Report 2021, where you can understood all the things and definitely this report will give you a solution to the question you have. So in today's video, we will discuss some of the crucial observation and key highlights of the Naukri Job Speak Report 2021. So, just like the other videos, we have Sajanya, who is my colleague, and today she will give solution to your question with a hiring trend with Naukri Jobs Speak report. So, just let us start this video. But make sure to watch this video till the end, and you will definitely going to know some crucial highlights of Naukri Jobs Speak report. So, let us start the video. So, based on the crucial highlights of Naukri Job Speak report 2021, well, Sajanya, could you please give us a brief introduction about the Naukri Job Speak 2021?
Yeah, sure, Pooja. I will just give the brief introduction of this Naukri Job Speak report of May 2021. Well, before that, I would like to say a few points first. Like, finding the right job is very crucial for everyone. It becomes a very hard task for a person who is aspiring to do a job it might be in different sectors. And it can also be quite nerve-wracking as well. So making it important for all the job seekers to understand the current hiring trends. Based on this current hiring trends, you will find very easy to find the jobs that you aspire for. So in this video, I'm going to cover all the hiring trends from various fields and from various sectors and areas. So to help you with this Naukri.com has released the Job Speak report for you, a monthly index that calculates and records month-on-month hiring activity based on the job listings on the website. So with the help of this Naukri.com, the Job Speak report, you will find it very easy and you will also know the information about the current job openings that are going on and which are being offered by the companies. Well, what is the main objective of this report? Well, the main objective of this report is to measure the hiring trends across various industries from different cities and from different functional areas and experience level. So, this is the brief introduction about this Naukri Job Speak report May 2021, Pooja.
Well, Sajanya, can you please tell us about the overview of the hiring trends? I mean, what are the current sector that are most recruiting people and could you please tell a brief introduction about?
Yeah, sure, Pooja. Well, the overview of the hiring trends, as you can see, there are different percentages that are displayed on the screen. Now, I'm going to explain about each one of these. So, at an overall hiring level, Naukri Jobs Peak stabilized and turned flat minus 1% in the May 2021 at over 2047 versus April 2021. So, as we all know, the pandemic has started, and many of them started finding many, difficulties in getting a job, and also this pandemic has led to an increase in the pace of digital transformation across sectors. Like nowadays the jobs are like most of the companies are relying on the technical factors instead of the manpower. Like they are replacing the manpower into machine power. It's just nothing but the digital transformation. It means a change in the company or organization across different sectors. It also created a need for rapid and scaled deployment, thus reflected in the IT software industry, growing at plus 14% sequentially in May 2021. Like most of the people found very difficult in getting a job, and this had led to the deployment. It's nothing but the deployment. And thus reflected in the IT software industry when the percentage has increased with over 14% sequentially in the May 2021. And coming to the growth of technology is reflected in hiring as major IT hubs like Pune plus 12% and in Bangalore plus 9% and in Hyderabad plus 4% saw an uptick in recruitment May 2021 versus May 2021. So, there has been a growth of the, employment opportunities being provided by the companies to the people, as I have already covered this, like IT jobs, and then in different kinds of cities where the employment rate is increased to 12%, 9%, and then the 4% in the recruitment compared to the years 2020 and 2021. As we all know, in the year 2021, it made so much of difficulty for the people in getting a job. And coming to this 2021, as the pandemic has little bit over and as the cases have been dropped down a bit, so slowly the company started recruiting the people. And also hiring for senior professionals is up to 8 to 12 years experience plus 4%, as well as more than 16 years experience plus 4%, and grew sequentially in May 2021. So, there have been an increase in the hiring of the senior professionals who have experience of between 8 to 12%. Well, the percentage is little bit increased, like this 4 uh, percentage in the year 2021. And then the people who have experience of more than 16 years, the recruitment rate is plus 4%. And it led to, increase in the growth sequentially in May 2021. And also, Pawan Goyal, who is the Chief Business Officer at Naukri.com, he said that even though the hiring activity declined by 15% in the month of April 2021 over the March 2021, we see hiring turning flat in May 2021. So, signaling resilience and recovery. So, the job opportunities and the recruitment levels will just vary from month to month. Like he said that in the month April and in the month March, there have been a decrease by over 15% recruitment rate, and coming to the May, it has been increased automatically. So this is the current status about the overview of the hiring trends, Pooja.
It. Okay, well, could you please tell us about the hiring trend across industries? Like, what are the industries that are recruiting people in a vast number? Could you please tell us about it?
Yeah, sure, Pooja. When hiring trends across different various industries. Well, the IT software sector led hiring with plus 14% growth. The education or teaching sector grew up plus 7% sequentially in May 21 after posting a continuous decline over the past few months. Well, the industrial sector have also started recruiting people in a vast number. Based on the percentage, we can estimate that there is over 14% growth and 7% sequentially in the month of May. So, and while telecom, these companies have grown up to 12%, and and the insurance is of 12%. It means the insurance has also increased its level of recruiting of over 2%, and sector remained flat. And sectors such as banking or finance, it has reduced minus 15%. And coming to the FMCG, the percentage has also decreased to over minus 13%, and BPO, ITES of minus 10% remained impacted in hiring activity in May 21 versus April 21. So this is the comparison between 2 months, and these are the percentages of the companies of the recruitment level. And it also had led down to shutdown of hotels, restaurants, and non-essential offices, led to a sequential decline in hiring in sectors such as hospitality. When we focus on this, it has completely reduced to 41% because of this pandemic, because lack of tourists and lack of traveling agencies because of this COVID-19 pandemic, it completely decrease the percentage. Well, there's no recruitment rate at all in these sectors, especially hospitality and retail in May 2021. This is the current status about the hiring trends across industries, Pooja.
Okay, so please could you tell our viewers that about the hiring trend across functional area and what are the percentage that we can consider like how many people could be recruited under this percentage?
Yeah, sure. Well, the Naukri Job Speak Index, it reports that there is over 14% increase in demand for, tech professionals in the May and in versus April. So it has led to 14% increase, especially in the month of May. And as majority of Jains announced bulk hiring plans for 2021, the plans, were very high in this year. And then the teaching and the education roles, it has led to an increase of 5% in the same period, in this period. And coming to the demand for the professionals who are in the Department of Human Resource Management or Administration, it has led to the decrease of over minus 4%. And the ITES and the BPO jobs, which means business process outsourcing jobs, this had led to decrease of over minus 8%. And coming to the field of content and journalism, it has led to the decrease of minus 8%. Domains was also less impacted in the May 21 sequentially. So this had led to decrease of the recruitment rate in these sectors. And amidst the lockdown restrictions across the country, sequential hiring for sales and BD, this has also reduced to 20%. And coming to the production and quality, it has reduced to 22%. And purchase and logistics, it has led to the decrease of 14%. Roles saw a decline in May 21. So this is the current status about the hiring trends across functional areas, Pooja.
Well, Soujanya, could you please tell us about the hiring trend across cities?
Yeah, sure, Pooja. Like major IT hubs, like cities like Pune, it has led to the increase of 12%, and in Bangalore, it has led to the increase of 9%, and in Hyderabad, it has led to an increase of 4%. So these cities saw an uptick in hiring activity, especially in the month of May 21 compared to the month May by tech talent demand. And in the state of Maharashtra successfully containing the pandemic, hiring activity grew up by plus 5% sequentially in Mumbai as well. So, as the restrictions and rules got imposed in the state of Maharashtra regarding this COVID 19 pandemic, based on the change, the hiring activity got increased. And on the other hand, hiring in Delhi or NCR remained impacted and declined by over 11% in May, versus April. So as the pandemic moved further into smaller cities in the second wave, like most of the smaller cities in our country got affected, and there is a decline of the percentages as well, such as it remained impacted in hiring, including Jaipur of minus 19% and Vadodara minus 9% and Coimbatore of over minus 5%. So this is the current status about the hiring trends across cities, Pooja.
Okay, well,